top news headlines. Manipur Governor Ganeshan and Chief Minister extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Independence Day. Manipur Chief Minister flagged off 2 motorbike rallies to commemorate India's 75th Independence Day. And India records 14,092 fresh COVID cases, 41 fatalities. Today's top news headlines. Manipur Governor Ganeshan and Chief Minister extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Independence Day. Manipur Chief Minister flagged off 2 motorbike rallies to commemorate India's 75th Independence Day. And India records 14,092 fresh COVID cases, 41 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI. Now the news in details. Manipur Governor Ganeshan extended heartiest greetings and best wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Independence Day. Since 1947, the people of India have been celebrating August 15 every year as Independence Day in remembering and paying homage to the sacrifices of the leaders and millions of their followers of the long freedom struggle towards the goal of attaining freedom. After independence, India has made great strides in all fields and is targeting to be in the committee of leading nations of the world. Though major progress has been made, challenges still remain to be tackled. Therefore, Governor urged all citizens to work together and bring emotional integrity and ensure that every part of the country is developed equally. Furthermore, he also appealed to all the citizens of the state to hoist the national flag in their respective residences. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh extended his warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of the 76th Independence Day of India. He stated that it is indeed a moment of immense pride and happiness to be an Indian, as our country will complete its 75 years of independence on this 15 August. On this special occasion, we should rededicate ourselves to the ideals of democracy and service to the nation, and also harness the potential of being one of the youngest populations in the world to achieve our dream of self-reliance in every sector. We should also remember and honor our freedom fighters who endured countless sufferings to give us the freedom that we enjoy today. Chief Minister N. Biren flagged off 2 motorbike rallies organized by Home Department to commemorate India's 75th Independence Day today from Hapta Kangzaibung to Mao and Moirang. The flag-off ceremony was attended by Minister T.H. Biswajit, Dr. S. Ranjan, El Susindro, Letpao Haukip, Nemcha Kiguen, Awangbao Nyumai, Kasim Vashum, MLA K.H. Loken, Nurul Hassan, senior police and civil officials, and as well as more than 1,000 bikers from Bikers Club 22. Chief Minister gave mementos to the bikers from Bikers Club who took part in the rally. Speaking on the event, thanked the bike rally participants for helping to disseminate awareness of India's independence and the need for citizens towards building unity in the nation.
Mikha polage hingidabagi sarukti farsi togna hat kibne hena fai haibagi spirit Bharat puningkha tamna bahona bada British na ot kiba nei kiba ya khang matungda Jaliwala Bagh ki mihat makhal makha gi miot mine Thangnam matungda Mahatma Gandhi na Satyagraha gi adugumba ihau lakhiba Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose na Azad Hind Fauj Indian National Army linkhalaga foreign countries singa salaga Bharat puningkha tamna bahona kiba Bharat lai riba state khuding mangna British kamayok ta hor kiba lan madu buning singba madi madugi ningkha tama phang podugi nungaiba Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji gi magi listing makhada Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav 75 years of Indian independence pangthokpani.
General Secretary of United Committee Langol Unit Naurem Robin Meitei urged the people of Manipur to stand together against those who seek to undermine Manipur's integrity. As observed throughout Manipur, UCM Langol has hosted a puffle flag in observance of Manipur's Independence Day on August 14 at its office in Meitei Langol, Aying Lekai. Speaking on the occasion, Naurem Robin added that Manipur gained independence from the British on this day. People who live in hilly and valley regions should stick together in peace and harmony and put in a lot of effort to make the state into one with a strong work ethic, he added.
Iramdam Manipur Sigi upon Big Sakamda, Singer Bakudingbak, Ekoi Amato in a Tingaminaba, Amadi Iramdam Manipur Sida Laiba, Sing Mitami, Koipuna Nusisanana, Laminaba, Amadi Ekoi. Subuna Mukanba, Wakalcha Laba, Dum Laba, Idamdam Ama, when she Haidana use him, Langon unit, Kimakai Degi, Yang of Hum Coke Nona.
To commemorate 75 years of India's independence and as part of celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Akkam District Administration Kaching today organized mass rally as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga on the eve of the 76th Independence Day. The rally carried out by District Administration began from DC Complex Kaching to Kaching Bazaar and culminated at the starting point. DC Kaching Sri Somojit Salam, SP Kaching Sri Vats, district level officers and their staffs, Anganwadi workers, Asas and local clubs participated in the mass rally. Meanwhile, ICDS Project Kaching hoisted national flag today in their office as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. National flags were also hoisted in various institutions and government offices in the district. Speaking to the media at the press conference held at Manipur Press Club, caretaker of Karam Thadoi Village Authority, Lieutenant Memory, wife of late Lieutenant Reng Khupchung, who was a chairman of Karam Thadoi Village Authority, stated that the Lunkam Kom Thadoi Saitu Sadar Hills Kangpokpi district, given his comments in the last week in electronic and print media, is baseless. In the village, Aimol Kom and other clans and sub-clans are residing with no different at all. She further stated that the point is unreasonable claim of chipship. According to the laws of inheritance, Lieutenant Thoineilan Aimol should be the chief or chairman of Karam Thadoi village after the death of his father, Lieutenant Rengkupchung Aimol. Therefore, T. Lukan should be surrendered to the Aimol tribe of Manipur, and if not, FIR should be filed on him, and Aimol tribe union will not be responsible if untoward incident happened.
Ti Lungkam Haiban Pana date 6 Augusta Lungkam Khongsai Chief of Kharam Thadoi Haina Declaration Taure on date 9 August Numitana Om Haina Lauthokre Kharam Thadoi Aimol Village Authority na Khangde Ningthau Pambagi Lam Pambagi Zat Rai Khongsai Kom Haibani Aduna Kharam Thadoi Ase Aimol Khunni Aimol da Adum Laigani Kharam Thadoi Ningthau Ase inheritance gi right matung ina aigi ichanapa LT Thoinailen Aimol Ase Kharam Thadoi gi chief oigatabani aduga aikhoi khun asida kanagumba jat achauba kanglupna khut thingjin biganu haina media da appeal taujari.
Now let's take a short break. Keep watching. Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. Like-minded group LMG extended financial support of Rs 12,100 to the family of Bedazit Elias Goroba Moirangthem, son of Moirangthem Prem Kumar of Wangjing, Haitupokpi. The visit was led by LMG Secretary Ozit Sorokhaibam, and other participants included LMG Publicity Secretary Rakesh Naurem, Executive Member Rosan Moirangthem, KK Wahengbam, Sobita Maibam, Dr. Inauba Nongmaithem, Boinau Maibam, Kunjeswar Mangsatabam Surendra Ningomba, Dr. Maibam Itin Moirangthem Akas Nongthombam Suni, Naurem Romila Moirangthem Radhakanta, and other group members. Secretary of LMG Ozit Sorokhaibam said, claimed that social media has become a platform for assisting the people who are in need. If we make good use of this platform, we can support more people who are in need, he added.
Social media habisi aikoina phajana sinaba targadi lamdam masigi awana tarba kayada aikoina mating pamu ngami maramaduna aikoina semjariba asigumna aikoina semjabasidi yaubiba pambidagasu atopana sembiraga adomadomna awaba taram matamda any lamdam sigi awaba taram matamda mating panglagadi khunai ase ing chingna nusinabagi adugumba mari amasu thammi aikoi chakhot minagani awaba da tingbang minagani.
A team of CDO Thoubal apprehended 8 PLA cadres along with arms and ammunition. Speaking to the media, SP Thoubal Jogeshchandra Haubizam stated that at around 8:30 a.m. yesterday, they received a reliable input from 4AR regarding some cadres of the banned PLA organization under the instructions of one self-styled Lieutenant Colonel of the PLA, Rishikanta, planning for an explosive devices at various government installations and target security forces in Thoubal district and other districts of Manipur on the eve of the upcoming Independence Day. He stated that teams of CDO Thoubal and a column of 16AR led by Additional Superintendent of Police O. Wangkhemcha and assisted by Inspector N. Sadananda OC CDO Thoubal under the supervision of Jogeshchandra Haubizam, SP Thoubal immediately rushed towards Yaripok Bazaar and conducted a cordon and search operation to trace the location of the explosive devices, and afterwards conducted a day-long operation at various locations in Thoubal, Imphal East, Imphal West, and Kaching districts and arrested 8 PLA cadres. The arrested individuals have been identified as Chingakam Basanta Singh, aged 38, Elias Kambaton, son of CH Ningthembi Singh of Andro Kuman Nungyumbi, Moirangthem Jitesh, aged 22, son of Moirangthem Sanjit of Kaching Nongthau Lekai, Konjengbam Romeo, aged 28, son of Konjengbam Raghu Singh of Moirang Konjengbam Maning Lekai, presently residing at Awang Sekmai, Kauzeng Lema. Fanjobam Rabi Elias Luangamba, age 26, son of P. Kula Singh of Andro, Labauzam Jing Lekai, Salam Mangizao, age 55, son of Led Salam Tombi Singh of Kaching, Wairi Salam Lekai. Naurem Manoj, age 23, son of Naurem Nobin Singh of Lukar Mayai Lekai, Imphal West, Samrai Ladpam Akas Elias Mustan Sarma, age 19, son of S. Rajeswar Sarma of Kaching, Wairi Saban Baman Lekai, and Azubanal. One Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol with magazine along with one Beretta 9mm pistol with magazine, 35 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2 hand grenades have been recovered from their possession. During interrogation, the juvenile revealed that under the instructions of self-styled Lieutenant Colonel Risikanta of the PLA, they have been targeting non-local people in all the valley districts, and he is involved in committing killing of one non-local at Kaching on June 23 and killing of one non-local at Andro Huikap, Imphal East on July 8 this year. The arrested persons along with the seized items have been handed over to Yaripok Police Station, and after observing due formalities and a case has been registered at Yaripok Police Station, he added.
This West area, explosive device na koi laluba Independence Day is target on ba nadugi plan kara tawre habagi akang nabo pau asip thambadagi Thawal District Police adagi 16 Assam Rifle gi koi team sing adugo commando sing myam loina mak Yaripok bazar da koi mafam sirista mukoina dai dai ba pau do phambadagi koi arrest tawraga cordon and search operation chathagi.
India recorded a total of 14,092 fresh COVID cases along with 41 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,42,53,464. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 16,454 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,27,037, taking the daily positivity rate at 3.69%. The total active cases stands at 1,16,861 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.54% as per the data. According to the Union Health Ministry, 207.99 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Manipur Governor Laganation and Chief Minister extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Independence Day. Manipur Chief Minister flagged off 2 motorbike rallies to commemorate India's 75th Independence Day. And India records 14,092 fresh COVID cases, 41 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.